This is to all lover girls, all the girls that are out there, and the pick me girlies. I feel like I should say that your love deserves to love you back. The energy you are putting into this thing, you deserve to get that same amount of energy right back. There's no way this one-sided thing you are doing is the actual love. There's no way this thing you are doing, this one-sided feelings you're nursing, bringing up, emotions you're showing is the real deal. Somebody has to pick you, and for that somebody to pick you, they have to be your own somebody. I don't know if you get me. You don't have to keep striving, putting all the energy, attention, love, care into somebody that doesn't want you. I'm not going to say it's not going to hurt. I'm not going to say it's easy to just get over it and move on. But I'm just going to say that one day you're finally going to have it together. They will pick you and you will be happy again. Happy Easter, guys. Have fun.